Hello friends, let's understand what is undefined in JavaScript. So I do have some small code snippet where I am just declaring the variable x and consoling it out. So let's see what is the result. Yeah, it's undefined. Okay, so whenever a variable is declared in a JavaScript program, okay, and we are not initializing it with any value, so it will be initialized with undefined value. Okay, so that's why when we are consoling out this x, which is not having any initial value, so it is printing undefined because undefined is assigned as an initial value. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's console out the type of x. So we do have a type of function in JavaScript which gives the type of that variable. So let's run our program again. So okay, it is printing undefined. So undefined is a value in a JavaScript, okay, and its type is also undefined. So why I'm saying undefined is a value, okay, because we can assign it to the variable. So I can assign it like undefined, not defined, it's undefined to this x variable, okay, and the things will still run the same. Okay, so it's a value plus its data type is a undefined type, so it's a primitive type. Okay, so let's have some other example, okay, where what I will do, I will remove this part, and instead of that let's call a function, let's say get name function, okay, and let's declare it get name here. Okay, by the way, we can declare like this, right? Because the function definitions, the functions written like this way, and the variables are hoisted in JavaScript, right? As we have seen in the previous videos. If you are not aware of the hoisting in JavaScript, you can uh, look for the video which I have made on hoisting in JavaScript. So let's uh, uh, let's not return anything, okay. Let's keep it blank, or let's write some code like let a dummy code, okay, let I is equal to 10, then just console out this I value. Okay, I'm just consoling out this I value, or let's console out the name itself. Let's say my name is Sagar, and I will just console it out I. Okay, by the way, we are not returning anything from this function. Okay, so let's clear the screen and run this again. Okay, so okay, it printed uh, the name Sagar, right, and we are calling it here, so but we are not consoling out this variable v. So I want to tell you that what this x will contain when we are returning nothing from this get name function. Okay, so let me clear it down again. Let's run it. Okay, so it printed undefined. So in the functions, okay, in any JavaScript function, when we are not returning any value explicitly, by default undefined value will be returned. Okay, and if I check what is the type of this x variable, it will be undefined. Okay, so let's check it out that as well. Type of x, let's print it out, so it will print undefined. Okay, okay, so that's all about the undefined in JavaScript. Thank you.